What's up, everybody? So for today's shoot, I bought a new modifier, a glow beauty dish. Is it this one? Yeah. I really didn't need it. You could say it was more of an on sale type of thing, but I don't have the size and I don't have a beauty dish, so that justifies it. But before I set up, I got my model here. You may know her, Victoria.
Hi.
Or Victory, you want to say in English. All right, guys, so this is the area real quick. This is the area. We're just gonna, you know, choose spots from spots, make it seem different. Like I've been to multiple areas, because you know, it varies in what you see. All right, guys, so I'm gonna use this area that has a bit of shade. It's a very warm day. The sun is coming in and out, so that's mainly why I'm shooting the shade right now, because to salvage what we have and not to get hot. Let's see the portrait. Sube la mano para arriba, la otra. The other hand, yeah. Yeah, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Alright, guys, so what I'm trying to do right now is just try to get a bunch of lines. So I did a few of her standing up, as you saw. So I'm gonna try of her. There you go. Let me just adjust my lighting. All right, technically I would like to shoot it very wide, just because of all the lines. That's mainly how I shoot. But I'm gonna shoot with some tight shots as well. Let's go straight ahead. All right, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we're walking here where you initially saw. We have options. We got the yellow and green there, but we could change that in Photoshop if I want to go that route. We got here, which is a good thing, but we're going to be fighting with the sun. But once that sun goes into hiding and the shade is perfectly even, then we could go it, like right now. Oh, that one came out good. Let me raise up the power just a tad. Let me see other angles. The sun has not gone away since we started shooting. Let me get down.
We definitely need a third person to record.
I see. Quick tip. In this case, she's wearing a hat where the sun is, you know, shining right above us. It's almost, what time is it? It's almost 12.
Yeah.
So, like, that's one of the lights, not the recommended time to shoot. From 10 to 2 technically. But you know, there's a bunch of clients that want to shoot during those times because that's most convenient for them. So in this case, she has the hat. So in the angle that she's sitting in, her face is in the shade where this light complements the filling and does the job. All right, guys, so we're gonna shoot like right in the middle of the street. This is a dead end street, so that's a plus. All right, guys, the reason I'm shooting, I put her here facing me towards this side, not only because of the sun. As you can see, her shadow, well, I'll show you in a bit, but there's nothing here, so there's more depth over here. As you see, the street continues, and she's still in shade, mainly because the help of her hat. Quítate la gorra real quick. As you see, she already has sun right on the top of her forehead. Put the hat back on. And as you know, a hat gives you shade, so that's a perfect feeling. And the shadow, you can tell it's not the best time to shoot when the shadow is like that. But you still gotta make it work. I'm gonna swap with the lens. Mainly I will go for the 35. That's just my preference. But for this video, let's just not go with it. Let's go with the 85. and see what we could come up with. Something that I would recommend when shooting at this time of the day. I don't do it, but if you have a lens hood, take advantage of it. So you're gonna get that lens flare, at least a bad one, or just use your hand like this until you cover enough of the flare coming into the lens. I'm at 1.8, ISO 50, shutter 1/8000, power. Let's bring it down because I'm shooting wide open now, so I think 1/4 should be of power should be enough. All right, let's bring it up a bit. Back to 1.2. That stop sign is killing me. I need a thumbnail photo. I'm like adjusting to hide that stop sign behind you. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps this up. Huge thank you to Victoria, who was behind the camera monitoring before it dies. My last battery. The music I was playing in the background is actually her song, so definitely check that out. Check out her, I'll put the link to her YouTube channel for what she has right now in below, and the iTunes link or whatever. I'll put everything that I know that I have from her down in the description below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. My name is Amauris Hernandez, and you announce it, Amauris. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.